Reusable non-adhesive pheromone cup traps give you precise pest monitoring without the mess or damage of sticky residues on surfaces, tools, or beneficial insects. To use reusable non-adhesive pheromone cups effectively, start by choosing a cup with a tight-fitting lid that has small entry holes sized for the target pest so larger beneficial insects are less likely to enter. Place a pheromone lure in the cup on a small suspended hook or wire so the lure hangs above either a removable adhesive pad insert or a shallow capture liquid such as soapy water or food-grade propylene glycol, which slows decay and evaporation. Follow the lure manufacturer's replacement schedule exactly, because once the pheromone degrades, trap counts become unreliable and you may misjudge pest pressure. Position cups at the correct height and spacing, for example at canopy level in orchards or along baseboards and entry points indoors, and keep placements consistent week to week so your monitoring data is comparable over time. Every inspection day, count and record captures, then remove insects with a fine mesh strainer if you use liquid or by swapping out the adhesive pad insert, and immediately clean any splashes or debris from the cup walls with a mild detergent and water. Reserve these cup traps for monitoring, not mass control, and pair them with targeted, cultural, biological, or mechanical controls once your counts show that you have reached your chosen action threshold. There are a few mistakes that trip people up with these traps. A common one is treating the cups as the only control method, which leads to growing infestations, so use the catch data as a decision tool and then combine it with sanitation, exclusion work, and spot treatments where needed. Another issue is neglecting maintenance and leaving old lure, septa, cloudy capture liquid, or grimy cups in place for weeks, which cuts catch rates, so set a recurring reminder to replace lures on schedule, refresh liquid at least weekly, and give cups a quick wash before putting them back. The third mistake is placing cups wherever seems convenient instead of where pests actually travel. So spend a few evenings observing flight paths or using a flashlight along edges and then cluster cups near those routes, near suspected entry points, and at heights that match the insect's normal behavior. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners understand tools like reusable non-adhesive pheromone cup traps and then connect with local contractors who can integrate them into broader, non-toxic pest management plans. We also give contractors a place to list their services, find new clients, and join our discussion community where we trade practical tips, share real field results, and talk through monitoring strategies that work in everyday homes.